Morning, everybody. Just woke up. I'm so hungry. I woke up maybe like an hour ago. So hungry, and then I made mostly for breakfast. Also just for starters because it was just a small portion. Now I'm making bacon, eggs, and I'll show you. But I'm so hungry. Okay, good morning. It's a Saturday. Yeah, haven't bathed, but I'm not naked. I have that, so it's kind of self-care. Food is my self-care. Okay, I'm bringing the food. I'll show you when I'm done. Okay then. Rolls. I put some mayonnaise on the roll, and then bacon, egg. Then we have the chicken with cheese, Vienna. Yeah, we put some sauce. I love this mustard. I don't know when I started loving mustard because I used to hate it. I think I was judging it by the color. But yeah, I'm gonna put it there. Okay. And then I can just... I was gonna put some cheese, but because the Vienna already has the cheese, I'm not gonna put it. And then yeah, let's give it a bite. There we have it. Mini something. Chilo or what? Dry lips gang. Okay, let me go enjoy my breakfast. Then I'll probably see you when I'm all cleaned up or when I'm cleaning. Not sure. I don't have a planned day today, so... Oh, but one thing for sure, I wanna undo my hair, and then gotta find out. And I'm just found out today what exactly I'm gonna do with this hair. But I'm not going to the salon, so I'll probably just wash it here. And yeah, also I've been thinking about cutting my hair. It's been a year now. It's been a year thinking about it. Oh, shame. The exit. Wait, guys, wait. I'm stuck here trying to have a conversation with y'all because I love this lighting. Like, I look so perfect. Sana, the skin is pretending here. Okay, let me go eat. Shop, guys.
A few days later.
these socks, I'm gonna use them to gym, to do some exercises. Washing this, washing that. He told me I'm a leopard. He's a. Let's just clean this bed. Who's waking up? To the rhythm of my phone. And if doesn't let me go, baby. Let's be so together, she. Ooh, hey. Oh, mama, is allowed, mama. Yeah. You were right. Oh, isn't it good, baby? Get to be suit and get shit. And it was in the goes band. Oh, isn't it good?
Decided to just go to the salon.
Okay, guys, I know I disappeared on you guys. I'm sorry. Today is another day. I'm at work today, and yesterday I couldn't continue vlogging because I went to the salon. I tried to vlog, but I couldn't really win vlogging there. And then my little sister came to visit, so I was with her, and yeah, and then I went to the salon and I decided to install this weave. So yeah, that's what's up. Now I'm at work and my voice is gonna be so low, so forgive me. I'm at work. I am on lunch. Oh, by the way, it's the Easter Friday. It's Black Friday. It's Good Friday. It's Good Friday and we're working. I'm having this meal. It's the what's it called? Let me just read it out for you. I'm gonna remove this quickly. Okay. It's the basil pesto chicken and bacon pasta. So I'm having pasta. And I haven't had coffee today, so I'm having coffee as well. For my tea time, I was too hungry, so I just quickly had my sandwich. I didn't have a lunchbox to prepare today, so that's why I'm eating these. All right, let's eat. I haven't bought this before, so I don't know how it's gonna taste like. Okay. I'm trying to get a bite for you guys. I wish I had my mic. Hope it's focused. I'll do it like this maybe. Okay, maybe that's enough for the focus.